Hey skiers, Emily from Skiessentials.com. Welcome to the 2023 ski test. Here in front of me I have the Blizzard Sheeva 9. This is the narrowest in the Sheeva line, coming in at 92 millimeters underfoot. Most front side, all mountain oriented ski. Offers playful agility with quick edge to edge, very light swing weight, so prefers really tight, nimble turns. As far as construction goes, we have a multi-layer wood core, but what's really cool about the Sheevas is that the Blizzard implemented this dynamic release technology. So it has metal underfoot, and then it starts to taper towards the extremities of the ski, which you can see here. So what that does is it provides maximum stability underfoot, and then when you get to the tips and the tails, it makes for a really playful feel, which is awesome for all mountain capabilities. As far as the shape goes, we have a camber underfoot and rocker in the tips and tails. And then also what you can see here is that where the metal ends, the rocker begins, which is really cool and definitely plays into the performance side of the Sheeva 9s. As far as the tails go, same situation here. The rocker starts just about where the metal ends. So just really plays into how the ski feels. Really just adds for some light, playful behavior in, like I said, the extremities of the ski. And as I was saying with the turn radius, we have a 14-meter turn radius, which is great for short, quicker turns, which can make the ski just really fun and maneuverable. As far as who it's geared towards, I would say advanced skiers who want a little bit of metal, not all the way through the entire ski, but who also want that power and stiffness that you get from metal that's added to the ski, and then also the ability to have the nimble, playful nature of the wood core, and as I was saying in the tips and tail, just no metal in the tips and tails. So really fun ski, great for all mountain conditions, and if you want to learn more about it, head on over to Skiessentials.com and we'll see you on the slopes.